Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Hyundai Sonata key fob battery. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Begin by locating the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then slide out the emergency key. This step is crucial for accessing the battery compartment. It's a simple start to a quick fix. With the emergency key removed, you'll see a small slot inside the opening. Carefully insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this slot. Now, gently twist the screwdriver. You should hear a slight click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Take your time and work around the edges to fully open the casing without forcing it. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Before removing it, pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards. Ensure it sits securely in its compartment. Now, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Don't forget to slide the emergency key back into its slot. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. For more great tips and product recommendations, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other fantastic deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.